Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you why is your WordPress website not updating and showing you exactly how to get them running so you can start optimizing. Let's get into it. Step 1. Navigate to the plugin store. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left side menu, hover over plugins and click Add New Plugin. This is your gateway to the official WordPress repository where all the secure tools live. Step 2. Install W3 Total Cache. In the search bar at the top right, type W3 Total Cache. Look for this plugin with over 1 million installs. Click the Install Now button. Once it's finished downloading, the button will turn blue and say Active. You can click it. As soon as you activate, you will see a new performance tab in your sidebar. This is where all your caching settings lives. Step 3. Install WP Optimize. Now, let's get your database cleaner. Head back to Plugins, add New Plugins. This time, search for WP Optimize. Click Install Now and then Activate. You will now see a WP Optimize menu in your sidebar. This tool will handle your image compression and database cleanup. Step 4. The initial configuration. Now that both are installed, go to Performance, then General Settings, under W3 Total Cache. Follow the setup guide and tell you the best page cache method, usually Disk Enhance. Then, go to WP Optimize, Database, and run your first optimization to clear out all post revisions. And that's it. Now your site is secure with one of the best speed tools in WordPress. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.